Hey Team 101, in this video we will be analyzing and forecasting for the gold XAU USD and Bitcoin BTC USD for 2nd and 3rd June. So let's begin. We are currently on an 4-hourly chart for gold, and we can see that the gold is being in a channel. Here I have drawn a support zone, and yesterday where we have taken our position was some around 17.29, and our take profit was just placed below the recent highs, which was around 17.43. Thus the trade which we took have been closed in an profit according to the lot size. Now what I am seeing on a bigger time frame, here on an 4-hour, the market is making an bullish pennant pattern. From here, let me draw the pattern. This pattern is usually drawn when the market is in upwards move and the market take a short-term bearish momentum for fueling up, and a breakout can be expected from here. So what I am expecting, and what we have seen recently, the market has tested the 50 MA, which is a good sign, and we have seen the market bouncing off. Here we can see the market is making a technical pattern which is an pennant or a bullish pennant. What I am expecting the market to do, and where will I short, where will I go for a long position, is a test towards this support line, and here what I am expecting a breakout through this resistance. Thus we are bullish on gold and do watch till end, as I will be telling the fundamentals also why I am bullish on gold. And here we can see that the market can test. However, if the market does not test this support zone, will take my position or a long position on a breakout of this resistance. Let's go on a shorter time frame of an 2-hourly chart. Here we can see a clear picture. Moreover, we can also make a symmetrical triangle from here. Just let me draw it. From here till here, let me draw it in a zone so it's more correct. Here till here, and the zone for the support would be some around here till here. Thus we can see that the market is on a crucial stage. Let's go in 1-hourly chart. Here we can see a clear picture. We can see that the market is on a crucial point, and a breakout upwards will continue the bullish momentum for the market, and a buy position can be created some around 1737 with a stop loss just placed around 1734, and the take profit would be this zone. So in the summary, the fundamentals why I am bullish on gold is due to the economic situation of US, as US is the code currency in XAU USD. Curfew enforcers and the investors will be keeping an eye on stock index future as major US cities enact curfew with more expected to protest. President Donald Trump, on a call to governor, demanded tougher action against the protester and any looting or routing, saying authorities should be dominated, which tell us that the US economy or the US is facing an uncertain situation right now, which would be also highlighted or can be seen in the moves by the investor due to the panic selling. Thus gold being a safe haven, what I am expecting the gold is to break this resistance and move towards this target which is marked over here. So now where will we take our position going on in 4 hourly chart? Here the ideal position for going long would be some around here, some around here, within a stop loss just placed here, and the take profit would be here, and the take profit would be some around recent high. It will provide a risk to reward of 1:1.5. That's not in quite a good risk to reward. However, in this situation it can turn into a high probability or a high profit. Thus our stop loss would be placed some around 1731, and the take profit would be above than the recent highs, which would be some around 1754. The great opportunity for going long would be some around 1739 till 1737. This, and the take profit would be just placed below the recent highs, which is some around 1754, and the stop loss would be some around 1731. And another scenario, if we see a break through the through the resistance, would take a position on a pullback. Thus the TP would be some around 1754, and the stop loss would be some around just below the support zone, some around 1738, and the great position on taking on and pullback would be some around 1743. Thus two trade setups are shown for going bullish on the gold. Now coming on in Bitcoin, we are currently on an 4 hourly chart. Here we can see a symmetrical triangle pattern being formed, and the market has been respecting, as we can see that the Bitcoin was bouncing off significantly from this support zone, testing the resistance, then testing the support. However, recently we have seen a break through this with a high volume in the buyers, as the sellers were exhausted selling the Bitcoin. Another reason for the Bitcoin to show this significant or a big move is due to the uncertainty in US economy. And here we can see on a shorter time frame, on a 1 hourly chart, that the Bitcoin is making an pennant here, a bullish pennant, which is usually drawn on the moves such as we have recently experienced, and the Bitcoin is just as the buyers were exhausted and the sellers took the power from here. However, the power of the sellers would end soon and the buyers would regain their power, and we can see an upwards move breaking this resistance lines here. However, if we see a break through this support, thus our sale position can be created, and if we see a break through this resistance line, thus a buy position can be created. Now what a trader should do for the 2nd and 3rd June for the Bitcoin. I am neutral on Bitcoin and the long and the short position. In the summary for the Bitcoin, what we should do, what I will do is wait for the Bitcoin to break this resistance or support, and I will go long if the Bitcoin break this resistance line, and will take in position on a pullback with a stop loss of around 10,125 just placed below the support, and the take profit would be lower than the recent high. However, for another scenario, for bearish or a downwards movement on a Bitcoin, I will wait and see for the Bitcoin to break this resistance, this support zone, will take a position on a pullback some around 10,116. The take profit would be this support zone, which would be some around 9,800, and the stop loss would be just placed above the resistance zone. This trade will provide a risk to reward of 1:5. That's a great risk to reward. This trade for going bearish or taking a short position, and for another trade if the market break this resistance, we will take a position from some around here. The take profit would be here and the stop loss would be here. Both trade will provide a risk to reward of 1:5. That's a great risk to reward. Now what we have to do is just wait and see for the market, for the Bitcoin to break this or to break this. We'll take in short position on breaking of this, and we'll go long or buy position breaking of this. If you do like my analysis, do like, share and comment below, and do consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.